It's cold blue in here. I've got a tip for you. If you're someone that uses hook and loop and you try to store it in one place, it's all sticky and it kind of sticks together. So what I do is I get 2 containers and label one hook and one loop. There's the hook. And that's for the loop. With Velcro, the fuzzy side is going to be the loop, and the more coarse side is going to be the hook. I put the hook over here, put the loop over here. All the fuzzy stuff goes in here. Okay, when you're all done, all the loop is together, all the hook is together, and nothing sticks. Keep the dust off of it. And you're ready to put it on the shelf.